Look what we have here.
Hi, I'm Katie. This is my house. And I found gray stone. I went online and looked up and I saw some of the designs and the different changes before and after photos. So I figured I would give him a call. So when we bought this house, it was in its original condition. And we had an arch right here. The kitchen was kind of closed off and the island was very small. And it was just really hard to get around in the kitchen. And the countertop was really outdated. So even the drawers was falling apart. So one of the drawers wasn't even in. So we knew we had to remodel it. So the demos, they came in, they put all the plastic to cover all of the areas around the house. It was different living with your house all torn out because the kitchen is like the main part of your house. So to have it torn out like that. I think they knocked down the walls. That was really fast, actually. I was really surprised at how fast they did that. And then next they run the electricals. Take all that. There were so many wires and cables. The guy took it all out and just took up the needed one and put it down underground. I love how we have 2 spice racks. You know, I said, I want a bigger island. He said, okay, I'll give you a bigger island. But I didn't know that was gonna be like one of the biggest I ever seen, you know, as far as an island. So we really love it. We're able to fit like 10 people. So before, the view when you walked in is you see an arch right here, the kitchen totally blocked off. So we took that all out, and once they knocked down the wall, they had to dig a trench through our foundation, through the cement. The view now is so different than before. The results speak for itself. Some of my neighbors, when they come, they're like, wow, your kitchen is so nice, so different than my, you know, theirs. Like they have the same design, but mine is so open. They love it. From my family, friend, to my neighbors. I mean, even my kids' friend, when they come here, they're like, wow, your house is so nice, you know? And that I can give that credit to Greystone that made this happen for us. So I just want to say thank you to Jeff first and foremost for all that you did, and just never lose my trust in the whole process. I really trusted you and you really came through for me. I really appreciate that. We work with a lot of people at Greystone, and in the end, that he just tied everything together for us. And now we just love our kitchen, we love our home, and we tell everybody about it, and we invite so many people to come and visit our home, and everybody love it.